Want to run your first Google search ad for feeling confused? Don't worry. In next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to set it up, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. First, go to your Google Ad account. Then click on the Create option and then select Campaign. Then we select Website Traffic, then Continue, and then we select the search, and then put our website link and then Continue. Here you can add a name for your search ad, so always choose your ad name with date, and then Continue. Start New, and the bidding option is Day Conversion. Then you can select your locations. You can select all the countries and territories, or you can select specific locations. Here, enter another location. So this option, you can select your specific locations. You can select Advanced Search for showing your location on the map. So here we can put our location. Then it comes. Then save it. Select your language. English, choose is your ad. Geopolitical or not defect. In all, choose no. And then next. Then next again. Then here is option made by Google AI Max. So skip it for now because we do manual. Then create an ad group where you can put your business details or keyword that match your business. So we can make a keyword here, we take it from there and fill it. One thing, if you also want a keywords or want keyword planning, we will make a video in our channel. We will go and show the video from our channel. So here we need 3 headlines. I already make it here. Again, if you want to learn for making keyword for your business, then we already make a video. Now child, we will go and check it out. Then import descriptions. Here you can see at least 2 descriptions and at least 3 headline. Here is our descriptions, the profit winner, okay? And then we'll save it. And then next from here, we will select a budget. So we will select our budget from here. Then the next option, now it's time to review your ad. After reviewing your ad, it's all set, you will publish it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.